You know, on the Merry Christmas note, here is the one Christmas song I will play this evening with my man Chris on hand percussion here. Here we go. Let's go! Through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, all the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing this sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Lo, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Lo, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride. I had no idea that all these verses. Fanny bright, seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame. Misfortune seemed his line. Ran and drifting on a bank, and there we got him shot. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Lo, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Lo, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, story I must tell. Went out on the snow, and on my back I fell. Chet was riding by in a one-horse open sleigh. He laughed at me, and there I lay, but quickly drove away. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Lo, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Lo, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now the crown is white, go at it like a young. Take the girls along and sing this sleighing song. Just met a bobtail bay, 240 as his speed. Hitch him to an open sleigh and crack, you'll take the lead. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Lo, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Thanks so much. That's the Christmas tune we do today.